Want to learn how to make pizza sauce at home? Hey, it's Jenna here from Sip Bite Go, and I want to teach you how surprisingly easy it is to make a no-heat tomato pizza sauce recipe. So you don't need any special equipment or ingredients, and it makes for the tastiest homemade pizza ever. Let's make it. I think you're going to be shocked at exactly how easy it is when you learn how to make tomato sauce. So once you try my version of the best pizza sauce recipe here, you're going to see that it's just 3 little steps. So in a large bowl, you stir or whisk together the tomato paste and tomato sauce, and then you add in garlic powder, dried Italian seasonings, a little salt, and a little sugar, and you whisk all that thoroughly until combined. And legit, you are done. So you just store that in an airtight container, like a mason jar in the refrigerator, or like one of those little like seal top lid things, or use it immediately on pizza. And I have so many delicious pizza recipes for you at Sip Bite Go. There's a new pepperoni pizza recipe. There's one for using pulled pork leftovers, which is really good. And there's a recipe to make ravioli pizza. So these are actually all really simple pizza recipes, but you can find them all at sipbitegO.com. Well, hope you have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!